Hey everyone, it's Amy, and I'm back with another recipe video. This is a no mayo buttermilk ranch dressing / dip. Mostly dip. Cue the intro. Italians don't use buttermilk in everyday cooking, so it's hard to find. I make my own. This is 1 cup whole milk, and I add 1 tablespoon of distilled vinegar. You can add lemon juice or white wine vinegar as well. In Italy, you can buy milk in Tetra packs that don't need to be refrigerated until opened. It was one of the things I had to get used to. So I set it aside for a couple of hours to let it curdle. We have an herb garden, and these are our chives. I didn't even know that chives made flowers. One of the things I love about spring is making little bouquets of all the little flowers around in our garden. I find it's easier to crush garlic with salt. Last time I used 2 garlic cloves, but it was too strong, so this time I only used 1. There it is, nice curdled milk. Here's the no mayo part. I use Greek yogurt instead of mayo, which is traditionally the principal ingredient in ranch dressing. Italians don't use sour cream in their cooking, so one time the cashier at the supermarket was fascinated by the fact that I was buying 2 or 3 containers and asked me what I do with it. Clearly, I don't know how to sprinkle already crushed dried oregano leaves. I almost forgot the cayenne pepper. Once I'm done, I reuse the yogurt containers. They're the perfect size, and they can be put in the dishwasher. I find it's best to let it refrigerate overnight so the flavors can marry. The next day, we conducted a dip test with various foods. Elsa was the only one who was willing to help me.
Leviosa.